Welcome friends in lecture 6, lesson 2, acid, base and salt. In this particular lecture we are going to learn the pH of salts, that is common salt, that is NaCl. Now as if the common except in common salts also, the pH of the salt is 7, which is neutral by its nature. Now salts are basically mixtures of strong acids and strong base. So common salt is required for the manufacturing of sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder and extract other chemicals. NaCl is obtained from seas and oceans. NaCl is dissolved inside seas and ocean and obtained by the crystallization method. These salts goes on getting deposited on the rock beds, and continuously by this deposition with addition of some impurities, they turn to brownish by its nature. You are able to see in the pictures, that is you are able to see in the pictures the brown color salt is present in the form of rocks, and these rocks are mined and used for the eating purpose. Fine. So they are slightly different in taste but can be obtained. Getting to the next topic of sodium hydroxide. Now how to obtain the sodium hydroxide, that is preparation and its properties and its uses. Now sodium hydroxide is obtained from chlor-alkyl process. Chlor process is chlorine and alkyl is sodium hydroxide. So it is a mixture of chlorine and sodium hydroxide which is obtained. Now how to obtain it? So brine is a mixture of NaCl plus water molecules. NaCl plus water molecules, the electric current is passed and the electrolysis process happens. In this electrolysis process you are able to see this reaction, NaCl reacting with water molecules and the electric current is passed. So in this brine solution, when electric current is passed, hydrogen gas, chlorine gas and NaOH is obtained in an aqueous condition. Cl minus is obtained on the positive electrode known as an anode. H2 gas is obtained on a negative electrode known as cathode, and NaOH, lastly this NaOH is obtained at the inside the beaker, that is inside the container itself only, of Na plus and OH minus ions. Now as you are seeing that anode here, anode is a positive electrode connected with a battery positive terminal, and cathode is a negative electrode connected to the negative terminal battery. And when the electric current is passed, the negative ions are collected on the positive electrode and positive ions are collected on the negative electrode. So in the negative ions, chlorine gas is obtained, and on the positive electrode, that is on the negative electrode, that is cathode, hydrogen gas is obtained. So on the negative electrode positive ions, and on the positive electrode negative ions like chlorines are obtained. So in negative electrode hydrogen gas is obtained. Remaining is Na plus and OH minus, lastly obtained as sodium hydroxide. Now if you see to the chlorine gas is having a different uses. That's used as water treatment plants. They are used in swimming pools. You have seen swimming pools color bluish color just because of the chlorine water. Also PVC plants. Now PVC is nothing but polyvinyl chloride. It is also used as disinfectants in water industry, that is disinfectants can be sprayed also in the form of gas. It is used as CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon. So chlorine is again there. Used as pesticides also for killing of germs and all, and also paste are small worms and all, these are called as paste which are in the soil, can be treated with chlorine water. Except then that hydrogen is used as a fuel. Uses of hydrogen as a fuel, it is used for preparation of ammonia for fertilizer. Ammonia is nitrogen plus 3 molecules of hydrogen gives us ammonia. Except then that, the main is sodium hydroxide use as a main product from here. So sodium hydroxide is used in the paper industry, used in cleansing of artificial fibers and manufacturing also in a big industry like soaps and detergents manufacturing. It is used as a degreasing agent in metal industry for metals. Fine. So these are the uses of sodium hydroxide. I hope so you understood this part, and see with this diagram, so you will learn it better. Fine. Thank you for this particular lecture.